today is all about data storage capacity memory. Okay, what's the different types of storage device? Storage drives read or write informations on magnetic or optical storage media. The drive can be used to store data permanently or to retrieve information from a media disk. Also can be installed inside the computer case, such as hard drive. Next is the floppy drive. A floppy drive or floppy disk is a storage device that uses a removable 3.5-inch floppy disk. This magnetic floppy disk can be store 720 kilobytes or 1.44 MB megabytes of data in a computer. The floppy drive is usually configured as a drive and it uses the boot of computer if it contains a bootable floppy disk. Next, the hard drive. A hard drive or hard disk is a magnetic storage device that is installed inside the computer. The hard drive is the permanent storage for data. In a Windows computer, the hard drive is usually configured as the C drive that contains operating system and applications. And optical drive. An optical drive is a storage device that uses laser to read data on the optical medium. There are three types of optical drives: compact disc, digital, versatile disc, and Blu-ray disc. CD, DVD, and BD media can be pre-recorded, recordable, or writable, read and write multiple times. External flash drive. An external flash drive, also known as a thumb drive, is a removable storage device that connects to the USB port. An external flash drive uses the same type of non-volatile memory chips as solid-state drives and does not require power to maintain the data. And there are types of drive interfaces. Hard drives and optical drives are manufactured with different interfaces that are used to connect the drive to the computer. To install storage drive in a computer, connection interface on the drive must be the same as the controller on the motherboard. Here are some common drive interfaces. The IDE, the Integrated Drive Electronics. It's also called an Advanced Technology Attachment. It is an early drive controller interface that connects computers and hard disk drives. An IDE interfaces use a 40-pin connector. And a Serial Advanced Technology Attachment. It refers to the serial versions of ATA drive controller interfaces. A SATA interface used as a 7-pin data connector. And the Small Computer System Interface is a drive controller interface that can connect up to 15 drives, can connect both internal and external drives. An interface uses a 50-pin or to 68-pin or 80-pin connector. And now let's move on to the different types of memory. Memory is a technical any form of electronic storage. It is used most often to identify fast, temporary forms of storage. When the information is kept in a memory, the CPU can access it much more quickly. Most forms of memory are intended to store data temporarily. Read-only memory or ROM. Read-only memory chips are located in the motherboard. ROM chips contains instructions that can be directly accessed by the CPU. Basic instructions for booting the computer and holding the operating system are stored in the ROM. ROM chips retain their contents even when the computer is powered down. The contents cannot be erased, changed by normal means. And the random access memory or RAM. Random access memory is the temporary storage for data and programs that are being accessed by the CPU. RAM is a volatile memory, which means that the contents are erased when the computer is powered off. The more RAM in a computer is the more capacity the computer has to hold and process large programs and files. And now, there are the causes of corruption of memory. File corruption and disk corruptions are commonly problems for camera cards, USB drives, and other flash drives. Corruptions occurs when a computer cannot successfully complete a requested process due to software issues or physical problem with a flash memory chip. Corrupt files might not all may provide garbled, unusable data. Some of the most common causes of data corruption on flash media include NAND memory wear, USB driver issues, program crashes, sudden power loss, failure to follow proper disconnect procedures, and operating system crashes. And that's all. Thank you, class.